Hi guys, today's my talking topic is about Google My Business. Many of you had approached me saying that I have a Google My Business of my shop is actually available on Google, but I don't have access to that. See, if you just type in how to claim Google business listing, it will give you this particular support page. If you look at this, it gives you the step. So it says first is go to business.google.com and you just click on the business.google.com/ad and you enter all your details about your business, about what exactly is the name and address of your business, everything you just actually mention there, and click on continue. And it will once you will see a message indicating someone else has verified. Suppose somebody else has verified, you might have done this earlier or somebody else has done on your behalf. Now what happens is you may not have access. So what happens is this is one of the mischievous things many agencies are doing, so that people keep paying them. What they do is they are actually taking your OTP and they are registering under their name. So the challenge will be, if there is any change you need to do, if suppose the address gets changed, if you want to add any new thing, every time you are actually dependent on the other person. Or it could also be that you have done with some email, you don't remember which email you have used. It could also be that one of your friend has done this and you are not in touch with them. It could be many reasons why you don't have access and you want to claim that back. So you can click on the request access and fill out a form. There will be a form for that, and click submit. So if you click on this particular page, it gives you the detailed things what exactly happens there. So generally whenever this is done, directly the person whom this is registered to, they will get a email, and now they can, if they know you very well, and they can give you a request, they can actually give that access back to you. Then you can claim that and you can start using for yourself. Now if otherwise, they have some time limit. So if somebody is crooked enough, they may not give you the listing access back to you. Otherwise, within the prescribed time limit, if they are not getting in touch with they are not responding, then Google will give you that access back. This is what this particular page says. You can go ahead and look at this in detail. It explains you about this. So I hope this has answered the query which some of you have raised, and this helps you. I'm signing off here. This is Sriharsha from GenX Technologies. We are digital marketing coach, and we also take your business from offline to online. We skyrocket your business. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching this on YouTube. If you are watching this through any WhatsApp or Telegram groups, please go ahead and click on the you just click on the button where you get added to my group, so that I keep sending you more such informative videos, and you will grow your knowledge in the digital marketing space and in the online space. And please share this to as many people as possible, and to all the WhatsApp groups, all the Facebook groups, whatever you have registered with. And this motivates me to do more such videos. Thank you very much. Have a great day.